Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk 4-wheel drive, stock number B9609A. 54,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. We sold this Cherokee brand new, mango, tango, pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Heating and air conditioning. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 4-wheel drive. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, along with a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.